Hi everyone, this is Uma, the dietetic intern here, and today I would like to share with you a recipe for a very delicious Christmas punch. First, here are the things that we will need to make this delicious punch: a large bowl, some cranberry juice, then we'll add some orange and pineapple juice to the cranberry juice, some simple syrup, and some fresh cranberries. Then we'll add some orange slice and also some lemon slice to it. Then we'll top it off with some fresh rosemary and some ginger ale to it. Let the fizz settle and then add some Sprite lemon lime soda to the mixture. And there you have it, a delicious Christmas punch that everyone would love on this festive season. I hope you all enjoy it. I wish you a Merry Christmas.